Hey, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So this video is another reading chart, how to read candlestick charts video. Yes, we have weekend, the assets are closed, not even the FX options are available. No, the market is completely closed. Yes, and so I will use this kind of weekend to explain you those trades which I have already done based on support and resistance, and in detail how to read candlestick chart. Yes, based on candlestick analysis, based on technical analysis. Yes, and how and all those kind of stuff. What you have to care about and what you have to be trying to avoid. And all those things are those trades based on those concepts which I have explained in my ebook. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame and any kind of financial instrument and any kind of broker. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description you'll find also the link to the Facebook group. So join the Facebook group, don't miss it. So let me see. Yes, I prepared this kind of video, and let me discuss first of all what we have here. So we have here some kind of downtrend. Yes, you see here this looks like a pullback of the 20 EMA. We have here now a trend line. This trend line can be doing this kind of parallel. You see here, this looks also like a impulse wave here. Impulse, corrective, another impulse wave, another corrective. Yes, and now we are getting here the pullback of the 20 EMA in form of an evening star. Yes, and yes, that is the market condition. Here we have a Bollinger Squeeze. After the Bollinger Squeeze we got a breakout. Here we got a reversal. Yes, because that is still not strong enough, this trend. Here it looks like we have here something what looks like a double bottom. First bottom, second bottom, yes, and up, yes, and now we are getting here the pullback, and here we have the neckline. Okay, so that is the market condition. That is what you should see. The support and resistance levels are drawn due or because of the change of polarity. Let me show you this too to explain this in detail. So we have here support, here we have resistance, and that's the reason why I have drawn this area here, and to see how this price here is acting like this. This candle broke this support level. Now this candle got resistance here. Yes, you see how nice it works, because this support and resistance level are close. That are at least 10 candles back. Yes, and that means that those traders who already entered there into this trade are still protecting this kind of support and resistance level. Those kind of levels are really reliable, often more reliable than those ones which are called extreme levels, which are a half an hour ago or something like this. Yes, closer those kind of nice support and resistance and change of polarity as an RR, better it is. Yes, so okay, let me see what's happened here. As soon that something will, or that as soon as I will enter into a trade, I will stop the video, or if there is something to explain, I will stop the video to bring this yes, to explain this more in detail. So this area here is broken, has broken. Yes, on the rejection, you see there was this rejection. So first of all, this area here which I have drawn here shows exactly again support and resistance. Here we have support, here we have resistance, here we have support, and this candle broke this support. Now this support level is getting resistance. That means after a rejection from this level, the major downtrend, yes, after the rejection from this level, I enter into a put, because I'm doing what? Exactly, the put option on resistance in a downtrend. Yes, that is nothing else. Yes, put option after this candle broke through it. I have also the candlestick pattern in my favor. Here we have an evening star, and after evening star, what does start? Yes, right, a downtrend. Yes, that is what I'm expecting here, and that's the reason why I'm doing a put here. Yes, that is everything you should know. Yes, put option on resistance in a downtrend and a call option on support in an uptrend. Yes, and this is what I'm doing here, and I have shown you this also often in my last tradings videos. Yes, and also in the last reading chart, how to read candlestick chart videos, which I have shown you. So market is doing here panic. You have to see that all the time above the purchase time it was above this level, and in the last seconds of the expiration time price is moving in the right direction to fool those kind of traders who are not experienced. Yes, because they would think that price would go up further. So I'm getting here an overview about another support and resistance level. That is not a nice one because it's not a confirmed one, because this was used here only as support. Yes, it's not used still now as resistance. So then we broke here through this area with the spinning top high wave candle. This spinning top high wave candle broke the lower low. This running candle broke the lower low of this spinning top. I'm drawing now a line again, yes, because we have here again change of polarity. You see here, that got here resistance. Here we have support. Here this candle broke this resistance. Then we got support. This support will broken, yes, and now this area here will act as resistance. Yes, that is what you should understand. But you cannot enter immediately, you have to wait for a rejection. So here I have not done anything, but I could have entered into a trade here after I saw that this candle was breaking through this lower low of the spinning top, because you know how to trade the spinning top. You wait for the candle to get to one edge of the spinning top, and on the rejection you enter into the opposite direction. Here was no rejection, so you couldn't enter into it, and so you could do a continuation of the trend. Yes, that is the method of elimination. If you don't do a reversal, do a continuation. So here we got another rejection from this resistance area, and I'm doing here nothing else what I have done also before. Yes, before I was doing here a put option on resistance in a downtrend. Here is now the same thing. We have a downtrend. Yes, we got a rejection from this support and resistance level, which is approved because we see here that it worked a few minutes ago. Here once 2 minutes ago it worked already. Yes, and 5 minutes ago it worked again. Yes, so this is a nice area. This is a reliable area, and we have a major downtrend still active. Here we see also the 20 and the 20 EMA and the middle Bollinger Band crossing, which means or we get a pullback or we get a stronger trend. And in this case, it is a stronger trend. Yes, you see here put option on resistance in a downtrend after a rejection. Important is that you wait for the rejection, yes, because else it could have been also that it would be forming some kind of double bottom, yes, and then you would get out of the money. You see we are here now at close to the neckline of this previous double bottom here. Yes, this double bottom here. We were here around this neckline. So, but we are moving further down. So then we got here now another support and resistance level. Yes, and you see I'm trying to get the support and resistance level almost in this 30-minute window. Yes, here 30-minute window. That should be the range. Or I would say also more in the last 20 minutes max, 15 minutes max, yes, because more closer they are to the current price line, yes, better it is. So and that almost often only the change of polarity is important in this case. Yes, this candle here, for example, why I didn't enter here on this put, I didn't enter on this put because this area here was not confirmed. We got here only support. This support was broken, yes, and that entering here in this one would be a little bit too risky, because this could have been also a fake breakout, and you see how this candle is moving. It could be a fake breakout of the support and resistance level, and then you would get out of the money, and that's the reason why I didn't enter. I was waiting here on the lower button to do a trend continuation trade. But then after this candle was formed, I decided to do a call, because I understood that this inverted bullish hammer would initiate here a small uptrend or reversal for at least one candle, because this penetrating of this wick is showing me buying pressure, and that price has the intention to go up, that this was only a fake breakout, because this candle finished bullish as an inverted bullish hammer and didn't continue to do a breakout, because you have to understand this is an extreme level. It's 15 minutes ago. This candle broke this level, but it doesn't got down. That is what I have explained in the other videos about, and I called this the method of elimination. Yes, the process of elimination, because this candle didn't close bearish and didn't continue to going down. I understood that this will be now a reversal, and I entered into a call. If you look right, you see here also a nice Elliott wave theory. You see here impulse wave, corrective wave, impulse wave, corrective wave, and now maybe because we are still into a downtrend, the next candle would be a bearish one, because we are here at the 1 deviation Bollinger Band. Yes, and that would be this one, what I would expect. Yes, that price would go down from this level. Yes, because we have here also a lot of support and resistance. Yes, and this carrier, you see, if I would draw here a line, you would see the change of polarity at this level. Here we have support, and here we have resistance, and you see price is going down. Yes, okay, so that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.